Buying a home in London in 2025? It's one of the toughest markets in the country. Skyrocketing prices, weak income growth, heavy regulation, and low turnover make some boroughs financial minefields. Here are the 10 worst places to buy in the capital. Hackney, Waltham Forest area. Housing affordability here has fallen fast. Waltham Forest ranks third in England for decline in affordability over the last decade, driven by price growth double, while wages barely budged. Redbridge. Redbridge saw its price-to-earnings ratio jump from 8.8 to 14.5 over a decade, one of the highest rises in London, leaving locals barely able to afford homes. Sutton. Sutton's ratio rose from roughly 8.3 to 12.8 over 10 years, one of the top 10 worst surges in affordability decline in England, squeezing middle-income buyers. 7. Havering. Havering's ratio climbed from 7.8 in 2013 to 13.3 in 2022, an affordability drop of 71%. The second worst in London after Barking and Dagenham. 9's Hillingdon. Hillingdon's housing costs surged nearly 86% more than incomes over the past decade, raising its ratio from 7.6 to 14.2, among the most dramatic in the country. 5. Barking and Dagenham. This borough saw the steepest affordability decline in England. Its ratio rose from 5.6 to 11.8 in a decade, a doubling of relative housing cost. Despite lower absolute prices, incomes lag far behind. Forsing. Camden. Camden homes average £797,000, while local median earnings hover around £88,000, meaning property costs over 9 to income, even in this high-earning central area. Transaction volume remains sluggish. 3. Hammersmith and Fulham. Hammersmith and Fulham reaches a staggering house price-to-earnings ratio of nearly 10, one of the top least affordable boroughs anywhere in the UK, and prices still rising despite worsening household income. 2. City of Westminster. Overlay. Price burden visual. Westminster's average house price near £936,000. Against median income £94,000 gives a price-to-earnings ratio of 10 times, but heavy stamp duty, lack of mid-market stock, and international buyer dependence elevate risk further. Kensington and Chelsea. Number 1 worst. Overlay. Data recap on luxury overvaluation. Average home £1.39 million, with typical income £36,000. Ratio 38,000's income. That's the highest ratio anywhere in the UK. Decade-long drop in affordability, minimal wage growth, only top